Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Montserrat. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have made this video before on a desktop device, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it on a mobile device too. I have opened this site on my laptop, on my Android device. So I've opened this Montserrat online visa application site. Of course not every country needs, okay, of course not every citizen in the world of every country needs it. There are exceptions too, okay, so that we will cover. So when I tap on apply for tourist visa, what it does is it gives you some questions where you can actually put your value and say and check if you really need a visa or not. For example, what is your purpose of it? I select visitor. Nationality, so I'm gonna select a nationality that indeed need a visa, okay. For example, if I put Indonesia, which country do you live? If I select Indonesia, again sample, terms condition, check, that means you need a visa. So you have link, apply. So what are the things you need? Personal information, first name, last name, gender, marital status, date of birth, country of birth, nationality, identity. Here government issue ID, so that is like your passport, you can say that you have to do. Passport number, place of issue, date of issue, date of expiry, your contact information, address, city, country, email. Email is very important because this is where they are going to send the confirmation, okay. Travel information, date of arrival, you need to put all the pieces of information. Then at the end you need to review all pieces of information, and then you will submit the information, and then they will contact you for pay, okay. And if everything goes smooth, it will be all good to go. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.